All right, guys, so today we're here at Red Bend by KB Homes here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now behind me, we have the floor plan 2069, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today's April 14th, 2025, and today we're here at Red Bend by KB Homes here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with this community or where we're located, this is gonna be right off of Sunset and Fort Apache. So we're here in the southwest, really close to South Summerlin. Great location, you guys. We're only about 14 to 15 minutes away from the airport and about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip, okay? Now, this area is a great area, you guys. We have like the Cowabunga Park that's close by. Right across the street, you're gonna have Southern Hills Hospital. We're actually really close to the Durango Hotel Casino. Plenty of shopping centers close to here, again, close to Summerlin, South Summerlin. So ideal location, great area. I definitely would move out here. Yeah, guys, I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 5 different floor plans here. Now, they're all gonna be 2-story homes ranging from 1,590 square feet all the way up to 2,469 square feet, okay? With base prices ranging from $482,990 all the way up to $549,990. Now, guys, again, when you see base price, just know that that's not your total price, okay? You wanna factor in the lot premium and the upgrades. Now, the lot premium on here in this community, it ranges from $0 to like $40,000. Now, all lots come in different sizes and shapes. That's why there's different lot premiums in the community. Also, when it comes to upgrades, you wanna factor in about, I think most buyers are putting in about 6 to 10% of the base price in upgrades. So yeah, guys, add the base price, your lot premium, your upgrades, that will give you your total cost, okay? Now here at KB, what they're doing, usually they kind of go that route of building from ground up. So you get to pick your lot, pick your elevation, pick your floor plan, all your upgrades. You can go that route. They do have a couple of spec homes that they started. So what a spec home is the builder will choose all the options. That way they'll already get started on it. And that way, you know, you'll probably have about 4 or 5 months away from completion, okay? They actually do have one right now that's gonna be ready in about 30 to 60 days. Other things about the community, HOA is $70 a month, guys. What that's gonna include is you have this park right over here. It is not gated, okay? They have about 82 homes here. Around about 82 homes here, okay? Average lot square feet is gonna be about 3,000 to 5,000. Again, there's some lots with different sizes. Build time, if you build from ground up, about 5 to 6 months, okay? I guess they've been averaging about 5.5 months, so that's actually pretty quick. That is it for now, so let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Plan 2069. Now, the Plan 2069 is a 2-story home, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $521,990. Now, again, guys, if you are building from lot up, you could choose your elevation. The elevation just means how the exterior looks, okay? So there's 3 different elevations. Depending which elevation, the base price might be a little bit different, but they're usually about like a $1,000 or $2,000 difference, okay? With elevation A being the least expensive at $521,990. Now, the paver driveway will be included as well as the desert landscaping, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and let's take a look. Okay, so it looks like we have the 8-foot door. That means we're gonna have the 9-foot upgraded 9-foot ceilings. Yeah, so we do have the upgraded 9-foot ceilings here. Cool. And just in case if you guys were curious to know all the upgrades that we will be seeing in this model home, you could go ahead and pause it right there. These are all the upgrades, okay? Now, right over here, you're gonna have your garage, which is locked, of course, because they use it for storage. You also have the stairs that go to the second floor. Okay. So welcome in, guys. Nice open layout. You have your nice kitchen island right here. Good sized living room and then dining room in the back. You also have your pantry over here. Now this slider is upgraded. So this is a structural upgrade. Something that a lot of buyers will do as well. Who doesn't love large sliders? Okay. So it looks like you're gonna have a side yard. So yeah, most of these homes, they're gonna have like side yards, a little bit of a backyard and a side yard, just kind of depending on the lot. So they have different size lots out here. Now the backyard, the side yard, it won't be landscape. So just remember, when you move into your house, the HOA will give you about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. If you wait longer than that, the HOA, you know, they may send you something in the mail saying that you need to do that. So yeah, this is a nice little area right here. Okay. Now it looks like you're gonna have your powder room all the way in the corner, which is nice. Okay. So here, so it looks like you have a place for your linens. This door, this is gonna be your coat closet. Now this flooring that you see here is upgraded. KB has several different options you could choose from. Now the standard flooring is going to be carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. You'll have like a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. So most buyers choose to get rid of all the carpet on the first floor. That's a really popular thing. But yeah, what you're seeing here is upgraded cabinets. You got backsplashes upgraded, the quartz countertop, because KB includes granite. But these are all options here. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included, but if you want to buy a refrigerator with KB, you could do so as well. This is definitely an upgraded appliance package, but KB will include an oven, stovetop, a microwave, and a dishwasher. That'll be Whirlpool. Okay, this is really nice. Have this black dual basin matte black sink with this gold faucet. Definitely optional. Okay. Also too, you will get a garbage disposal down here. And then also too, the oven, there's gonna be a fan right underneath it. So it will go like to the outside of your house as well. I think it's a good sized pantry. Look, walk-in pantry. So this is gonna be the stairs over here. But yeah, these two upgrades right here are definitely something I'd recommend. I would say, you know, it's great for resale too. Large slider, 9-foot ceiling. I would say that's a must. All right, let's check out the second floor. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you've been watching some, you know, new construction home tours and you're thinking about visiting for your very first time, you know, do me a favor guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be glad to go with you on your very first visit and help you through the process. Now, if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Don't go by yourself guys, because if you go by yourself, the builder agent is gonna ask for your name, phone number, email. And once they have that, they're gonna put you in their system as having no realtor. Now, it's really important that you have a realtor in representation because the new build agents look after the builder's best interest and we look after your best interest. So definitely a difference. So you have a bedroom right here. Okay, I would say it's about like a 10 by 10. Okay, here's your other bedroom. It's nice. It does have a walk-in closet. Okay, here's your third bedroom. So this is the entrance of the neighborhood. So it's really nice because you have this park right over here. But yeah, it's not gated, guys. So just a heads up. See, as you can see over there too, this is how close we are to Durango Hotel Casino. It actually looks further in camera than it is in person. In person, it looks much closer. So yeah, really great location. Again, we're in the Southwest, but close to South Summerlin, easy access to the freeway. This is definitely an area that I wouldn't mind moving to myself. Okay. So you have a really good sized loft here. Now here you're gonna have your laundry room. Now the washer and dryer is not included. Also too, you have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, okay? With no option to upgrade. So that's just how it's gonna be. So you have your linen closet. So over here, we're gonna have your primary bedroom. So this is a king size bed. This bed actually looks, it's that king size that's wider. So I forget which king size bed that is, but yeah, definitely plenty of space, as you can see. Cool. So right here, we do have the upgraded shower option, which is like the large walk-in shower. Now, if you don't have this option, you're going to have like the walk-in shower that has a tub, or you're just going to have the shower tub, and then I think like your linen closet. Cool. So it's going to have dual sinks. That is standard. I believe in the other bathroom though, having 2 sinks is optional. Okay, so you have your toilet room. And then here's your walk-in closet. And then we have your attic access. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching that video. If you have any questions, or if you're curious to know the incentives, or you're looking for a guide, somebody who's very familiar with new construction process, guys, reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.